In today's video, we're going to be trying a free AI video generator that will turn our long-form videos into short videos using AI, and you can actually get access and use this tool for free right now. The first thing you want to do is navigate on the link down below in the description and sign in with Google. Very quickly, let's see the pricing. We've got 50 minutes one-time credits, standard quality, and up to 30 minutes of file length. And we can use two prompts, trailer and topics. If you want more features, you can use the starter pack at $9 per month, which gives you 150 minutes of video access, HD quality, up to 2 hours of file length, and full prompt collection. And again, if you want more minutes and more lengths, you gotta pay the double of that. What we want to do today is see what the free version offers. So I'm going to come over here on my YouTube channel and I'm going to get the link of my previous video. This is the link of my previous video. I uploaded yesterday, so let's turn this into short form content. I have signed in already, as you can see over here. Paste my YouTube link. Click the submit button. And here we're going to see template, and you can also use custom prompts if you don't want to use the provided templates, which are pre-made prompts for the generation of the video. And here you can select the type of video. The instructions, product features, positive highlights, negative highlights are all for the premium version. And I have heard that the instructions option is very good. But in our case, what we will do is that we will get the topic links. All right, so that's what we will be generating. And we will be generating this specific option, which is 15 quotes. Each clip will be 30 to 60 seconds. All right. And we're going to go and generate 3 clips. It's very important if you want to create short form content to select the option of 9 to 16, because this is the aspect ratio of our mobile phones. So everyone that watches this on Instagram, on TikTok, they will look at it at this aspect ratio. So after that, what we want to select, we can also select if we want captions. And here you've got quite a lot of options about captions. And what happens over here is that we're waiting for them to get our video. So as we wait for the video to load up, we can go over here on blog and we can find loads of blog spots by the team over there, and it's loaded up. It shows us the credit usage, which is 8 minutes, 21 seconds. And what we want to do over here is click the submit button. It's going to take a little bit of time for, the AI to generate our videos. So we will have to do something else in the meantime. So if you go on the tab that says help, they've got very specific things that you can use to improve your experience with this platform. So for example, they've got the getting started with AI video cuts. Over here, what we see is that our video is getting processed, and here we will be able to open the project. You can use this to regenerate this current prompt or copy the source link. So if I click this button, we see that our video is getting processed. This might take around 10 minutes. You can safely leave the page and we will email you when it's ready. All right, so our videos are generated and let's go ahead and see if the quality is good. Let's see the results. So here we see the video number 1, introduction to AI image generation tools. And here is the transcript, and here we can click the button and start watching the video that you can use to generate images for free. Watch the benchmarks. It is supposed to be one of the best, if not the best model. Recraft on this arena is the number 1. Black Forest, right? Seems okay, but again, doesn't really capture what I wanted to capture. I would say that this is a pass. This is not good enough for a short, and the reason is it does not capture the variety of the things that I'm showing in the image. But it would be very useful for podcasters. I'm sure about that. So let's paste the prompt here and select aspect ratio. You can also put negative prompts over here. Let's generate 1,000 words. Let's try one more preview. Yeah, I would say that right now this doesn't feel good at all. It does not capture the variety. There is my screen capture, but the video is focused on my face and not on the things that I saw in the image. So I think that these videos are not going to go okay. Let's watch the final one. This is the result of a Red Panda AI site. And it's very close to ideogram. Let's do one more generation. Generate new batch. Again, you can click on the image, replace the prompt. Make sure if you want to keep the old images, save them before doing that. This is very good quality. I'm going to try this photorealism. What I have found out from this kind of clip is that I understand that they transcript and subtitles work perfectly. When you have one subject in the video, it works very well. But when you have two things that you want to show in the video, the algorithm cannot really capture it right now and only focuses on one of the two subjects, mainly the face. So if you had a podcast, this would work very well. If you had a vlog, it would probably work quite well. But when you have webcam and video capture, it won't work at all as you want it to work. So for me personally, for my use case, it is a pass. Maybe I could put like a video that doesn't have my face, but this is not my use case. I want to brand my face. So this is it for this AIvideocut.com from my side. Hopefully in the future they add more features so they can capture more complex long videos and turn them into shorts. But hopefully for some of you, this could be very, very useful. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe for more of these kind of AI video generations, and I will see you on the next video.